Did you know that in the 1930s, illegal cough medicine paralyzed tens of thousands of Americans for life? It was called Jamaica Ginger, or Jake for short. Desperate people drank it during Prohibition as a legal alcohol substitute, but greedy bootleggers stretched their batches with a deadly industrial chemical called triorthocresol phosphate. This poison attacked the nervous system, leaving victims dragging their feet forever in what became known as Jake Leg. It was one of America's largest mass poisoning events, all hidden in plain sight as medicine.